Let's take a look at this Lozagu Allen wrench kit. If you're like me, you have Allen wrenches all over the place, but can never find them when you need them, or you can't find the right one. So I picked up this set from Lozagu that should make things a little easier. It comes in a high visibility case that keeps everything neat and tidy, with a well-marked spot for each wrench. We have SAE and metric wrenches, and they come in every imaginable size, all the way down to the tiniest wrenches I've ever seen. I guess those are for when you're repairing the engines in a Matchbox car. Anyway, every wrench I looked at is stamped with the size on the side, but I didn't actually check the smallest ones, so I'll let you be the judge of those. You get two right angle screwdrivers with Phillips heads on one side and a flat head on the other. And you get this little handle to help increase torque when you need it. The wrenches slide into the round holes on the end or the side to give you two options. But overall, I'm happy with my purchase and know my Allen wrenches will be better organized with this kit. I hope this short video has helped you decide if this Lozagu Allen wrench kit is right for you. Thanks for watching.